Sagen om Al-Khawaja begynder her i udkanten af Bahrains hovedstad Manama sidste år. Vi er taget ud for at møde Zainab Al-Khawaja, der var til stede, da politifolk dukkede op midt om natten og arresterede hendes far.
He could hardly speak, and he was just saying, "I can't breathe, I can't breathe." And they were hitting him from every side. This is where he fell on the ground, and they surrounded him and started beating him. Or just pulling him from his legs, and his head was, on the stairs, like banging on the stairs.
What is your father fighting for?
My father is fighting for freedom, democracy, human rights for the Bahraini people.
For familien Al-Khawaja er deres far en helt, men Abdulhadi Al-Khawaja er en mand, der splitter befolkningen her i Bahrain. Der er dem, der mener, at han er en terrorist og en islamist, og så er der dem, der mener, at han er en frihedskæmper. Hans støtter finder man specielt ude i de shia-muslimske landsbyer, hvor der er demonstrationer dagligt. Det er der, vi er på vej ud nu. Assalamu ala shuhadaina. Assalamu ala shuhadaina. Beboerne i byen Sitra gør klar til endnu en demonstration for at få Al-Khawaja løsladt. Yusuf og Hussein er to af dem, der ofte møder op, selvom de kender folk, der er omkommet i demonstrationerne.
عبد الهادي الخواجة هو مدرسة في الصمود في الإرادة في القوة في الصبر هو إنسان طموح وينبي يغير للأحسن والأحسن.
Demonstrationen her er indtil videre fredelig, men nogle gange så ender de her demonstrationer i vold mellem politiet og demonstranterne, og der bliver kastet molotov-cocktails for eksempel. Få minutter senere dukker politiet der også op. Det er det her, der ofte sker i demonstrationerne her. Det ender i kampe mellem demonstranter og politiet. Der bliver skudt tåregas ind over, og demonstranterne svarer igen med brosten. Og det er noget af det her, der gør folk i andre steder af Bahrain meget nervøse for de her demonstrationer. Vi har nu måttet søge tilflugt i et hus herinde, efter vi er blevet ramt af tåregas. Men kampene fortsætter stadigvæk mellem demonstranterne og mod politiet. Men der er en anden side af Bahrain. Her i hovedstaden Manama møder vi mange, specielt fra det sunni-muslimske mindretal i landet, der støtter kongefamiliens reformer. Og de ser Al-Khawaja som en uromager.
I think there must be other ways, less violent ways to get his demands answered. You know, we live in a country where the country has done so much for us, the government, and Bahrain is the land of peace, and I hope that we all reach a solution where everybody's happy.
He said it's peaceful, but he's never denying any demonstrators who they make some burning the street. He didn't say anything. That means he liked it and he agreed. This is not peaceful. He's part of the problem of, let's say, instability in Bahrain. He's part of it.
Og det er den samme holdning, man møder hos Bahrains sunni-muslimske kongefamilie, der sidder tungt på magten i oliestaten.
He wants to see the overthrow of the monarchy. And that, I'm sure anybody would agree with me, is unacceptable to the majority of the people here in Bahrain.
But isn't it okay to say you want to do that?
Well, it's not okay to say that you want to overthrow the regime.
Why not?
Because that would be an attempted coup d'etat.
But if you're just saying it, I mean, if you're not actually, he's just calling for a different system. I mean, why is that illegal?
Because you're calling for overthrowing a system that is in existence agreeable to the vast majority of the people of Bahrain, and you're calling for the change in the system through violent means.
Okay.
Zainab El Khawaja har selv været arresteret 5 gange. Hun viser et billede frem af sin far med en brækket kæbe, efter han blev arresteret.
And actually his face here, you can't see in the picture, but it was all like this side. You see here? It was all like gone down.
Hun mener, volden skyldes styret, og ikke hendes far.
My father has never been a violent man, and I've seen him on so many occasions convincing other people not to use violence. And even after the torture, even after the way he was arrested, even after everything he went through, he's still convinced that peaceful resistance is the only way.